Everyone, and welcome to part 2 of using Collaborate to record your screen capture video. The reason I made a part 2 is because in part 1 we looked at actually using Collaborate and some of the tools Collaborate offers for a screen capture video, but I also want to show you how to actually access your recording, download it, so you can use it in your courses. Now there are two different ways that you can use the Collaborate recordings in your courses. You can provide the students with a link or embed it directly into your course, which is a great way to do it. That way it's all done. However, remember that the college will be removing Blackboard Collaborate after the spring term. So at the end of spring term and during summer, Collaborate will be going away. So if you have any recordings in Blackboard Collaborate, you're going to want to download them. You can download them onto your PC and then upload them into your YouTube account and provide the links in YouTube. YouTube will not be going away, so your videos will be safe in storage on YouTube for an extended period of time. So let's go ahead and access our recordings. We're going to, of course, open the course shell in which we made the recording. I made our Collaborate recording, the how-to part 1 recording in our actual course shell. So I go to communication and I'm going to access Blackboard Collaborate the same way that I would in any other situation. Now this time, instead of creating a session, I want to look for my recording. So I'm going to come up here to the top left of my corner here and select these this little 3-bar menu. And instead of being in the sessions page, I'm going to select recordings. Now the recording I made is the only one that I have done this so far. So I have my recording screen capture, recording 1. You can leave your sessions open just so you know if you want to record more than one recording. You can do it in small segments. Turn the recording on, make your short recording, turn it off. Within the same session, you can record again, and it'll say here recording number 2 or recording number 3. So you don't have to like reopen a new Collaborate window every time you want to make a bunch of short recordings. So I have my recordings here, and all the way on the right I have my recording options, and I can select the circle with these 3 dots. That's my drop down menu. I can select to watch the video now. Maybe you want to look at your own to make sure that it doesn't need any editing. You can download it, which is what we're going to do. You can check the recording settings. You can delete it if it's a total mess and you don't want to use it. Here, copy link is where you would embed it or share the link with students, and it would take them directly to the recording itself. And you can add some sort of closed captioning source if you would like to. Just remember, if you're going to download this and put it up in YouTube, YouTube already provides a closed captioning source. It's another reason that we like to suggest that for use. It makes closed captioning a lot easier. So for me, I'm just going to download this right here. I click the download button, and it's establishing a connection. It's going to call this Collaborate Recording. I'm going to go ahead and name it. Please remember, I use a Mac, so if you're not familiar with what a Mac looks like, this is what it looks like for me. I am going to hit Collaborate Recording Part 1. I'm going to save this on my desktop, and I'm going to save it in my CTEL course, and we'll save it in the CTEL video file. I'll save it in my YouTube class. There we go. So I click save, and you can see in the bottom left hand corner my video is being downloaded, and it's being downloaded as an MP4. This makes it a lot easier to handle and upload directly into YouTube when I am ready for it. Note the duration is 7 minutes and 42 seconds long, so it's a nice short little mini lecture. When you're done, you can simply just close this. Your recording will still be here in Collaborate for as long as you need it. But again, remember the college will be getting rid of Collaborate at the end of spring 2021. So those recordings will also go away. You will need to download those if you want to keep them. So that is how you download a video. If you'd like to see, let's see if we can open this up. And where is it? Sorry, Collaborate video, and it's in here somewhere. Oh, it was put it in my YouTube class. And there we are, Collaborate Recording Part 1. I'm going to open this up. and I can start to play it from there. So I was setting up my microphone and such in the very beginning. I will probably edit this video down a little bit before I present it to you. So this is how you can access and download your Blackboard Collaborate videos to use them for your students. See you in class.